Time-Traveling Twins, written by Young Learners Curriculum, Level A1. It is raining outside. Max and Mia go to the attic. They see boxes and old books. In the corner, there is a machine. The buttons are glowing. A note says, "Do not touch." Max and Mia press the green button. Whoosh! Max and Mia open their eyes. The sun is hot and bright. They see big pyramids and camels. People wear robes and gold. A boy walks to them. "I am Nefri," he says. "You are in ancient Egypt." Nefri looks scared. "Two kings are fighting," he says. "They think someone is stealing gold. My scroll shows the truth." But someone takes the scroll. "I saw it near the falcon statue, but the tomb is cursed." The tomb is dark. The torches show the wall. They see pictures called hieroglyphs. Mia finds a riddle. To find the truth, follow the light, it says. Sunlight shines on one tile. Max steps on it. Click! A door opens. The scroll is inside. Mia grabs it fast. Suddenly, the stone door shuts. "We are trapped," says Max. Nefri sees signs on the wall. They match the falcon statue. They move the blocks. The door opens. The scroll shows the kings were tricked. A greedy man told lies. Now there is peace again. "Thank you," says Nefri. The time medallion glows. Whoosh! Max and Mia go home. "Where next?" says Mia. Max smiles.